Pragnadepa Learning Center.
Today we will solve some problems based on some basic algebraic identities. So we will just recall the algebraic identities that we are aware of. A plus b whole squared formula is given by a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So a plus b whole square kalpamere a minus b whole squared similar agide. It's easy. So change b to minus b in this expression you will get. So matte memorize mado avashyakate illa. So a square minus 2ab plus b square agutte. Husharo students, some of you might get confused. A minus b whole square ಬರಿಬೇಕಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ minus ಬರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, it's wrong. You have to write only in terms of minus 2ab and here it should be plus. Okay, plus b square ಇರಬೇಕು. And the next identity that we know is a square minus b square. A square minus b square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A plus b into a minus b. And the fourth identity that we are aware of is x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these are the four different algebraic identities that we must be aware of in order to solve the problems. For the next 10-15 minutes, we will be solving the problem based on these four identities. So don't forget these identities, students. Okay, tumbana important algebra chapter antalla. Even this what algebraic identities is applied even to different chapters in mathematics. Okay, tumbana important idu. Even there are huge applications of this in geometry as well as in arithmetics also. But today we will concentrate on algebraic parts. Okay, so let me write the question one by one and we will try to solve. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. So students, what is the skill that you have to learn is, especially in this, it's not only that these four formulas you have to understand. Develop a mathematical skill that given a formula, you should be in a position to solve a mathematical problem relevant to that formula. Okay, so make a habit of developing that mathematical skill. See, maths andre most of the times we deal with formulas. Formula ತುಂಬಾ important ಆಗುತ್ತೆ students. Okay, so compare ಮಾಡಿ formula na apply ಮಾಡಿ then analyze what is the meaning of that. First, try to understand the soul of the problem. So the very first problem that we will try to solve is expand. Okay, so expand x plus 2y square, x plus 2y whole square. So ಇದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡೋಣ students. See, as soon as I see this expand ಅಂತಿದಂಗೆ a plus b whole square ನಾಲ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. a plus b whole square expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ students, we will get three terms on the right hand side. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. See, some of you might have a habit. A square first ಬರೀತೀವಿ, b square ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ plus 2ab ಬರೀತೀವಿ. That should also be fine. ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ three terms ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನಂಬ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರೀಬೇಕು, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2y ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So if I expand, what I will do, I consider what the question that has given. That is x plus 2y the whole square. So what is x plus 2y the whole square? X square plus. Students observe ಮಾಡಿ, a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2y ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. x square and 2 into x into 2y. 2ab. So I am writing 2y in the place of b plus 2y whole square. Be careful here, students. A common error ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2y square ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. Students, it's wrong in this case. Understand the clear difference between 2y whole square and 2y square. They are not same. Okay, now laws of exponents ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, 2y whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ actually ಏನು, you have to square 2 and also you have to square y. But what is the meaning of this? ಬರೀ y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this means that you are adding y square with y square students. So y square plus y square add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ 2y square ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y square plus y square ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು 2y ನ 2y ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So understand the literature what I'm trying to tell in maths here. Y square plus y square is completely different from telling multiply 2y with 2y. So ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. There are some instances where it might be same for some particular value, but in general they are not equal. So while writing students, especially when you have terms which is multiplied, so be careful. Okay. So now let us try to simplify this. X square plus multiplication, a simple multiplication in this term, 2 into 2 numerical part, 4xy plus 4y square. This is what I explained here. You have to square 2 and also have to square y. So this completes the expansion of x plus 2y whole square. So this is the answer. Let us take the next problem. Let us take the next problem. Simplify x squared minus 3y whole square. X squared minus 3y whole square. So students, as soon as you see this, the thought that we should get is it is of the form a squared minus b squared. What is a squared minus b squared? We know that it is the product a plus b times a minus b. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರಿಬೇಕು, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 3y ಬರಿಬೇಕು, right? So what we can do is we can easily substitute in the formula to do that. So again ಆಗತ್ತ x squared minus 3y whole squared is equal to a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 3y ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So again ಆಗತ್ತ x plus 3y times x minus 3y is the simplification of this, or even I can use the word factorization. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, factorization ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. So factorization of algebraic term ಆಯ್ತು. So you are learning two problems in this problem. So this completes the problem. Okay, let us try to take the next problem, students, which is quite similar to this, but there is a quite observation that we have to make. So simplify 4x square minus 3y whole square, which is very similar as I said. ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತರಾನೇ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಹುಷಾರು, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೂ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಇತ್ತು. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 4 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್, as I see this, the problem na ನಾನು a squared minus b squared ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. See, understand, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ a squared minus b squared ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ a squared minus b squared ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. It will be a plus b into a minus b. So bringing this problem into this form is quite challenging. Okay, it's not too complex to bring it. ಹೇಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಕೊಡಿ, 4 is a perfect square. So which perfect square? 2. So I can write it as 4 as 2 squared and x squared minus 3y whole squared and ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So ನಾವು exponents ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ. What I can do is I can write 2x whole squared minus 3y whole squared all together. Lot of exponents. Like if I have a power m into say b power n, I can write it as, okay, b power m, powers must be same. It's ab whole to the power of m. Okay, when the bases are different and the powers are same, multiplication in the students, you can write it as the product of these two bases raised to the same power. Laws of exponents ಅಂತ ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Laws of exponents ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So now see, the challenge is over. ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ a squared minus b squared ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to just apply the identity. A ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇದೆ, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 3y ಇದೆ. So it becomes 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y, and this completes the problem. Okay. Okay. Let us take up the next problem. The next problem is problem number 4. For today's class is to learn the problem to expand half x minus 3y whole square. I'm introducing rational number now. Half x. Students, half x andru one, x by 2 andru one. Okay, I guess you are aware of it. Half x minus 3y whole square. This is expand ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here you can use the identity a minus b whole square. So a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ half x ಇದೆ minus 2 a b plus b squared. Okay, be careful. In the place of a, half x is there. In the place of b, plus 3y is there. Okay, so we have just substituted in the formula. Usually students, in my style of teaching, I never simplify and substitute at a time. First simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ first substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ next step simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that the chances of me committing the mistake will be less. Okay, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Of course, competitive exams ಗೆ you have to do simultaneously, but to get the grip of the subject and the formulas to apply, first ಏನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then you simplify. Over a period of time, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆದಾಗ you can do it fast. So now students, you have to give the power of 2 for the whole term. So 1 ಗೆ power 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so it is not altered. 2 ಗೆ power 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 4, x ಗೆ power 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ x squared. So here it is quite easy. ಯಾಕೆ power 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ students on direct simplification ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2 cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So if you cancel 2 on both numerator and denominator, I am left with only minus x 3y. So multiplication of unlike terms ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 3xy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is very trivial, and as we discussed in the previous type of problems, you have to raise it to the power of all, so it will become 9y squared. So this is the answer. Or to the most, you can take this LCM, that will be 4, and you can multiply 4 to these two terms and write it in the form of numerator by denominator. So this completes the problem where you are learning how to expand a minus b the whole square. The next problem we will try to solve using the another identity that we have seen, that is without actual multiplication. Okay, see, this is important. Without actual multiplication, simplify. Okay, without actual multiplication, simplify. You are given to just do the product x plus 3 times x plus 5. Students, be aware of without actual multiplication. Now, we are aware of multiplication. Distributive loss use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಈ problem solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು students. I just tell you that method. Suppose you got another without actual multiplication, see, you can just solve the problem in this way. How to multiply a polynomial with another polynomial? Basically, you can use the distributive law kind of a technique. So x plus 3 into x plus 5 ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ x ನ x ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x ನ 5 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನ x ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 3 ನ 5 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If this step is confusing, write one more additional step. ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ x ನ x plus 5 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ನ ಮತ್ತೆ x plus 5 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. x ನ x plus 5 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, 3 ನ ಮತ್ತೆ x plus 5 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Now you individually multiply. Okay, that is quite better. Okay, if you don't know the direct way how to do, that's okay. X into x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x into 5, 5x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 into x, 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 into 5, 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now we know the concept of adding the like terms. ಇಲ್ಲಿ like terms ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 5x ಮತ್ತೆ 3x ಇದೆ. So 5x plus 3x gives rise to 8x. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x square plus 8x plus 15 will be the final answer after the multiplication of these two algebraic terms. ಇದನ್ನ actually just multiplication method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ not to use this type of multiplication, but we have to get the same answer. We have to get the same answer. Anyway, let us compare this with the formula that we have learned. What is that? X plus a into x plus b. Say x positional x ಇದೆ, a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ. It's quite easy and natural to understand. I can easily use the formula x plus a into x plus b. So what happens? X squared plus a plus b x plus ab ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So let's come back to our problem. In the place of x x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಂಗೆ x squared ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus a ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3, b ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5, x ಬರಿಬೇಕು plus 3 into 5 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 3 into 5. So simple simplification of addition and multiplication. 3 plus 5, 8x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 5 15. See, you ended up with getting the same answer if you do actual multiplication or if you do algebraic identity. So maybe all the methodal problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, the final answer you should get same. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು, ನೋ, ಆ ತರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. So what we have learned, let us quickly summarize. We have learned the 4 basic important algebraic identities: a plus b whole squared, a minus b whole squared, a squared minus b squared, x plus a into x plus b, and we have solved some quite simple problems based on those 4 formulas. So you have understood these problems. Thank you.